jumping. Okay, so come on, open, close, open, close, open, close. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and relax. Now, just do jogging. Come on, come on. Very good. Very nice. Now we are going to do twisting. So come on everyone, twisting. Twist yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do deep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Watch me. Chalo, chalo, come on. This is not Tadasana. This is Vrikshasana. This is called Vrikshasana. Okay? First we are going to do Tadasana. So raise your hands up. Right hand up. Breathe in. Yes. Left hand will be down. Right hand up. Hold it. 1. Look straight. Concentrate on one point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Very good. Relax. Very nice. Now left hand. Breathe in. Raise your left hand up 1 foot distance. Concentrate on one point. Look straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn your hand and breathe out. Take it down. Very good. Excellent kids. Deep inhale. After every asana, you have to do relaxation. Okay, close your eyes and do deep inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. Again, come on. Right hand up, breathe in. 2 times we are going to do each asana. Raise your heels up. Right hand up, raise your heels up. Come on your toe. Look straight. Look at one point. Left hand, left hand side pe. Keep your left hand on the side. Focus on one point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Take your right hand down and relax. And relax. Very nice. Deep inhale and exhale. Please do with concentration. Okay? Tadasana will improve your concentration. It will improve your memory, which is needed for our study. Now left hand up. Breathe in. Raise your left hand up, up, up. Focus on one point. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Take your hands down slowly. But bring your hands slowly. Okay, you have to do asana with awareness. Concentrate, focus. Come on. Deep inhale and exhale. Close your eyes and do deep breathing. Deep inhale and exhale. Now, second variation of Tadasana. We are going to do second variation. 1 foot distance in between your leg. 1 foot, beta. Only 1 foot. 1 foot कितना होता है? Watch me. हाँ, shoulder level पे. Yes, you can watch my leg. Watch my foot. Just a minute. Watch my foot. देखो, 1 foot is this much. Only this. Okay? This is. Now, both the hands up. So breathe in. Raise your both the hands up, up, up. Focus on one point. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly turn your hand and breathe out. Take it down. Very good. Deep inhale and exhale. Come on. One more time. Yes. Come on. Both hands on the side. Lift your both the hands up, breathe in, up, up, up. Focus on one point. You are on your heels. Third variation of Tadasana. What to do? You have to take your hand in the Namaste pose. Up, breathe in. Keep your hand in the Namaste. You are on your toe, heels up. Look at one point. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Turn your hand and take it down. Just relax. Very good. Deep inhale. Come on. One more time. Come on, everyone. Breathe in. Come up, come on your toe, heels up, look straight. Join your hands in the Namaste. Upper Namaste karo. Focus on one point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And breathe out. Very good. Just relax. Deep inhale. And exhale. Close your eyes. Concentrate on your breathing. Deep breathing. Deep inhale. And exhale. Now, fourth variation of Tadasana. There are 4 variations of Tadasana. So now cross your hand. Everyone cross your hand. Stand straight. Now, breathe in. Come on your toe. Heels up. Focus on one point. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Stretch your hands. Bring it down. Yes. Very good. Excellent, kids. Deep inhale and exhale. One more time. Come on. Cross your hand. Breathe in. Come up. Breathe in. Yes. Stretch your hands. 1. Cross your hand and stretch it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And breathe out. Take it down and relax. Excellent, kids. Very good. Deep inhale and exhale. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. So come on, everyone. Keep your mat down. Just stand up, beta. Stand up. खड़े हो जाओ. Now, first position. This. Om. Just chant mantra. Om Suryaya Namaha. Breathe in. Both hands up. Breathe out. Go down. Take your right leg back. Left leg in between both the hands. Yes. Now take your left leg back. Come in the mountain pose. Now touch your knee, chest, chin. को touch कीजिए. Now lift your neck up. Breathe in. Up. Breathe out. Come in the mountain pose. Now take your right leg in between both the hands. Take your right leg, your right knee and right heel should be one line. Now take your left leg together with the right leg. Come down. Yes. Come up, breathe in. Up. Both the hands up. And breathe out. Yes. Very good. Just relax. Deep inhale. And exhale. Come on. One more time. Come on, kids. Om Suryaya Namaha. Legs together, beta. Breathe in. Up. Take your hands up. Breathe out. Go down. Go down, go down, go down. Take your left leg back. Take your left leg back. Right leg in between both the hands. Now take your right leg back. Breathe out. Touch your knee, chest, chin. Up. Both hands near your chest. Lift your neck up. Breathe in. This is Cobra pose. Come in the Cobra pose. Look up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come in the mountain. Take your left leg in between both the hands. Yes, forward your leg. Yes, hold there. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your right leg with the left leg. Stay there. 1, 2. Up, up, up. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And breathe out. Stand up. Now I am going to show you variation. Okay? We are going to do variation in Surya Namaskar. Come on. 1, 2. Breathe in. Up, up, up. Go down. 3. Go down. Yes. Very good. Now again come up. Come up. 2. Breathe in. Again go down. Breathe out. Go down. नीचे जाओ. वापस come up. Breathe in. Up, up, up. Go down. Breathe out. Go down. Very good. Now take your right leg back. Right leg back. Left leg is in between your hand. Now change. Take your right leg forward. Take your left leg behind. Yes. Hold it. Look straight, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Better keep your leg proper. Your knee and heel should be in one line. Now again take your left leg forward. Take your right leg behind. Right leg back. Yes. Now take your left leg also back. Come in the mountain. Now touch your knee, chest, chin. Go down. Go down. Touch your knee, chest, chin. Now come in the Cobra pose. Breathe in. Again go down. Breathe out. Go down. Go down. Again come up. Breathe in. Come up. Come up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. Go down. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. Come up. Now come in the mountain. Come in the mountain. Forward your left leg. Forward your left leg. Now do the pulse with your right leg. Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch me and do it properly. 5. Very good. And now do up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now both legs together. Now do up and down. Pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come up, breathe in. Up, up, up. And breathe out. Very good. Yes, sit down. Bilkul relax. So, everyone sit in the Ardha Padmasana. Keep your hand in the mudra. Yes, your hand like this. What I am telling, keep your hand like this. Okay, separately. Yes. Now, close your eyes. Do deep inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now what to do? We are going to do next asana, that is called side bending. Okay. So what you are going to do? Watch me first. Keep your right leg on the side. Left leg will touch to your right leg thigh. Okay. Like this. Now take your left hand up. Breathe in. And bend on the right side. Hold your right. You have to hold your right toe with the right hand. And you are bending on the right side. Left hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up, breathe in. Stretch your hand and breathe out. Turn your hand and take it down. Very good. Very good. Now change your leg straight on the side, bend on the left side, hold your left leg with the left hand. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Come up, breathe in, stretch your hand, right hand, and take it down. Breathe out. Yes, very good everyone. Very good. Do the butterfly. 1, 2. You have to keep your feet like this, beta, and hold it with your interlock your fingers and hold your do up and down. Yes, come on. It will open your inner thigh muscle. Okay, excellent for your thighs. Come on, do it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is Vajrasana. You can sit in this posture. This is very good for digestion of your food. Okay? You should not sleep after eating your food. You should do slow walking, or you should sit in this posture. So after having our meal, we can sit in this posture. Okay? Come on, now we are going to do Yoga Mudra. So how to do? Hold your hand. Hold your right hand with the left hand. Yes. Now look up, breathe in. Go down, breathe out. हाँ, चाहिए नीचे. Go down, go down. Hold it. 1, 2.
Ma'am, we can change our mats like this. First, I'm sleeping for every yoga.
No problem. You can change. You can change. Then come up, breathe in. Come up, come up, bacha. Hold. 1. Just relax. Breathe, inhale and exhale. Now turn to the right side, little right. Look up, breathe in. Bend on the right side, breathe out. Go down on the right side. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down, bacha. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up, breathe in. Come to the center, breathe out. Now turn to the left side. Look at left side. Now look up, breathe in. Go down, breathe out. Go down on the left side. Go down and hold it. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up, breathe in and breathe out. Come to the center. Yes. Just relax. Deep inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Go down, breathe out, and you have to raise your hands up. Hold it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up. Breathe in. चलो सभी लोग लेट जाओ बैक के ऊपर. You can do Sarvangasana. Everyone knows Sarvangasana. Yes. Lie down on your back. Now we are going to do Sarvangasana in this. So watch me first how to do that. Then you can follow me. Okay. So first watch me how to do that answer. What to do? You have to raise your legs up like this. Okay? So come on everyone, let's do it. Yes. Come on. Come on, try to hold it and lift it up. You have to hold your leg like this, then you have to hold your hips, and then you have to raise your hips up, leg up. Okay, like this. Okay? If someone is there, tell them to help you. And slowly fold your leg and you have to take it down. Okay? So come on everyone, now I'm watching you. Your hand like this and we are going to do cycling like this. So come on everyone, let's do cycling. This is very good for your leg muscles. 4, 5. Do it आराम से. Full leg stretch. Stretch your full leg and then bend your other leg. Okay, stretch your full leg. Do it slowly but properly. Come on. 10. Now, do you know Chakrasan? Everyone know Chakrasan? So first watch me how to do Chakrasan. You have to keep your hand near your neck. Watch me, beta. Watch me. Everyone watch me. Keep your leg near your hips. And you have to come up in this way. Okay? Yes. So everyone can do this. Now, sit down. Everyone come up and sit down. I am going to show you today Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. So what to do? Keep your left hand in the mudra. Now you have to inhale from right nostril, exhale from right nostril. 10 times. Inhale from right, exhale from right. Then we will change and come to the left nostril. Okay? So come on everyone. So keep your left hand in the mudra. Now close your left nostril with the right hand ring finger. Right hand ring finger say close your left nostril. Now inhale and exhale from right nostril. So come on, inhale from right and look up. And exhale down. Look down. Yeah. Inhale right. Exhale right. Continue. Inhale right, exhale right. Now change. Now change. Close your right nostril. Inhale and exhale from left nostril. Up. Exhale, look down. Full inhale, full exhale. Very good. Close your eyes. Keep your hand in the mudra. Do this. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now we are going to do eye exercise. Okay? Eye exercise is very, very important for your eyes. Because you have to read, you have to watch TV also, you have to play your games on mobile. Okay? So eye exercise is compulsory. So what to do? First watch me. You have to look straight. Look straight. Keep your hand in the mudra. Sit in the Vajrasana. This is called Vajrasana. So sit in the Vajrasana. Your spine should be straight. Remember, always remember, you should not bend and read like this. Your spine should be straight. Keep your hand in the mudra and look straight. Look straight. Watch carefully one point. Gaze one point. Look at one point. Hold it. 1, 2. Don't blink your eyes. Watch continuously at one point. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now look down. Only your eyeball will move, not your neck. Look down. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now look at center. Now look right side. Look at right side. Only eyeball will move, not your neck. Look at right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Center. Now close your eyes. Close your eyes. Exhale. You should not watch TV from very near. Okay? You should keep distance in between your eyes and TV watching. Okay? Deep inhale and exhale. Now we are going to do clapping, everyone. So let's do clapping. 1, 2, 3. Hands up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now पीछे से आगे. From back to front. 1, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Relax. Just relax. Now let's chant 3 times Om. Okay? Everyone chant Om 3 times. So breathe in. Let's chant 3 times. Hari Om, Hari Om. Rub your hand, rub your palm, rub it, rub it, rub it. Create warmth and energy in your hand and give energy to your eyes. Look at your palm, smiling face, and give thanks to God. Whatever God has given you, give thanks. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Feel gratitude. Thank you. Thank you so much, bacha. I hope you enjoyed.